In today's video, I am going to teach you how to leash a Happy Ghast in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To leash a Happy Ghast in Minecraft, you will need two things ready before you begin. Make sure you already have a lead in your inventory, and make sure you have found or spawned a Happy Ghast that you want to control. If either one is missing, you will not be able to complete the process. Once you are standing close to the Happy Ghast, switch to the lead so that you are holding it in your hand. This is important because the lead has to be the active item before you can attach it. If you are using your hotbar, select the lead and keep your crosshair aimed directly at the Happy Ghast. With the lead equipped, right-click on the Happy Ghast. As soon as you do that, the lead will attach to the mob. At that point, the Happy Ghast is leashed to you and you can begin guiding it as you move. Stay close enough so the leash remains connected, and move carefully if you want the Happy Ghast to follow your direction smoothly. If you want to keep the Happy Ghast in one place instead of leading it around, bring it near a fence. While the lead is still attached, right-click on the fence. This will tie the lead to the fence and secure the Happy Ghast in place. This is useful if you want to stop it from drifting away, or if you are setting up a specific area for it to stay. If you do not want to tie it to a fence, you can simply leave the lead attached and continue moving. The Happy Ghast will remain connected to you while you guide it through the area. This gives you a simple way to move it where you want without needing to keep it stationary. The process is very straightforward. Have a lead ready, hold it in your hand, right-click the Happy Ghast to leash it, and then decide whether you want to guide it yourself or tie the lead to a fence. As long as you stay close and use the lead correctly, the Happy Ghast will stay attached. That covers everything you need to know.